The 2015 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes, the BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, climate control, power windows, side airbag, power door locks, clock, fog lights, CD player, dual zone climate control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.